Out for another little Sunday paddle on the river here. 3 of us. Back out on the mighty Millicoma. So peaceful. My 2 hecklers out there. It's all solid rock over there. Makes you wonder what these trees are on. Been playing with my sail a little bit here, and I've lost my compadres. They're way down there, so I pulled over here on the side. Gonna wait for them under the shade. Just a few minutes ago, I saw my first Oregon beaver. That's pretty wild, man. I thought it was a nutria at first, and it came down the bank a little bit, and I saw the tail, and sure enough, that baby's a beaver. And beavers here, they don't quite do the same thing as beavers that they do in Canada and other places I've seen on TV. These beavers here, they make their nest in the bank, kind of like an otter does. But I think I found a little spot where there's a slide right here where they actually come down into the water. The camera's picking it up here, but you can kind of see this area here goes up into that little hollow there. And I've been hearing on the other side of here movement, something small, and it sounds like it's chewing on wood. But I don't think it's used this spot in a while because it sounds more like it's coming down over there. And right now it's kind of a mid-tide, so that's why we're seeing all these little spots. Pretty cool. So he's got a rope on the back there. If you like pull that out just right, you should be able. She's gonna flip. Oh, no. Go ahead, dude. I got the camera going.
Just be like you're not part of the shot.
I'm not. I'm just a cameraman in the corner.
There's so much water.
Right up over here is where I saw the beaver. But with as loud as those two are, we probably won't see it again. He was literally right there in that spot. Oh boy, look what we got here. We got some blackberries. Mm-hmm. Some water in your boat, eh?
Yeah, just a little bit.
More than a couple buckets.
Dirty ass water on you.
Don't.
Helping you.
Don't, okay?
You think they're brother and sister.
You've done nothing but selfish all fucking day. Is that better?
Better shot of that myrtle wood tree. Okay, that right there is really weird to me. I don't think that beavers climb trees, but I could be wrong. But that stick is chewed off or sharpened upwards. But to me, it looks like it's been chewed off. Kind of wild. It'd be hard for a person to go all the way out in that limb. But some kind of critter went out there and chewed that off. Must live down around here somewhere. Oh, there it is. That's the deer. Finally found it again. I don't know if it's old or what. It's the wrong color to be like ancient Native American, but either way, it's pretty cool. Yeah, it sits up under here, under this big ledge. This big rock ledge is covered by this ivy, kind of hanging down. Kind of trippy how this is here. Huh.
I know what I'm doing here.
There's one of my piles is like 3 north though. And distributing all the power of just using my arms, my whole body.
Hey, check out the hieroglyph of the deer.
What?
Check out this hieroglyph of the deer. Its antlers, its face, its body, tail.
You're gonna run into trees. I sent him the meme of, do you want to build a
Stop
snowman?
paddling so I can get up next to you.
No, you're still trying to wet me again.
Ow! Fudge sauce, man.
In the wind right now.
Hey, Charles, why in such a hurry?
I gotta pee.
Gotta pee. Gotta pee. Okay, so this is gonna be a long story. Let me set the stage. The tide's on its way in. It's moving upriver about 6 to 8 knots. Charles and I really gotta pee. This beautiful dock here ends up with a awesome German pointer who comes down and is so friendly that Christina has to stop to pet it. She ends up flipping over as Charles and I finally find a spot about 200 yards up the bank to relieve ourselves. And thank goodness a drift boat comes around the corner because she's not wearing her life vest and gets a hold of her, pulls her back over to her stuff. At this time, we're able to get on scene finally, paddling like madmen back to her. Get her boat, get up on the dock there, get her back in the boat, and get on moving. I'm really sorry I didn't take any video of that, but, you know, I didn't want to embarrass her. This was her first time in a canoe, and, you know, I got to have that positive vibe, you know what I mean? But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you appreciated this video. God bless and take care.